Hey guys, welcome back to Tang Dynasty channel. I'm Sander. Today I will cover task 3, deaths in Text Challenge. In this task, we need to create a simple Jython death contract that checks one pair of the Jythons, A and B. Price for Jython A in swap B to A should be calculated by this formula. So for instance, if smart contract has 10 of Jython A and 2 of Jython B, then after sending one Jython B, you should receive 5 of Jython A. If smart contract pool doesn't have enough Jythons to trade, then it should send incoming Jython back to the user. If smart contract receives a different Jython near A nor B, then it will throw an error. And any Jython A or B received from the admin are added. Admin cannot swap. Before we start explaining task 3, let me give you a quick rundown on how Jython transfer works on the Tang blockchain. In TEP74 defines the architecture of Jython, consisting of Jython master and Jython wallet. Here's a simple flowchart showing the process of Jython transfer. Let's assume we have a Jython called USDT and a wallet named Wallet A. Wallet A cannot directly hold USDT. It needs to have a USDT Jython wallet, which refers to a USDT wallet, to store and transfer USDT. When Wallet A wants to transfer USDT to another address, just like here Wallet B, all it needs to do is send a token transfer message to SUSDT wallet. Then SUSDT wallet will transfer the USDT to B's USDT wallet. Once B's USDT wallet receives the USDT, it will send a token notification to Wallet B as a notification of the received transfer. Let's go back to the task. There's two message types are token notification and token transfer. Token notification, as previously mentioned, is sent by the Jython wallet and includes the following fields. Amount represents the amount of Jython you received. From represents the wallet address from which the Jythons were transferred. And forward payload is where we can include any types of message as a payload. Token transfer is sent by the Jython wallet and including these fields. Amount, it should be the amount of Jythons you want to send. And the destination should be the user address or the token notification form. Response destination in here should be my address. And custom payload should be null. Forward Tang amount in here should be Tang 0.01. Forward payload should be empty slice. We have implemented two get functions following the task. The first one allows you to get the balance of a Jython. If the Jython address is Jython A, is returned as amount, just the self.a amount. If it is B, it's returned B's amount. The second one is price function. It let you get the current price of a Jython. If the Jython address is A, it returns the price of A by this formula. Is B, it returns B's price by this formula. So go back to the receive function. In the receive function, When we receive a token notification, the first step is to determine the sender's address by checking context.sender to identify the type of JSON we received. If the JSON is JSON B, we then check where this JSON comes from. First, we verify where message.from match self.owner. If message.from is the owner, we just add the JSON to the pool and update the balance. Otherwise, we calculate the amount of JSON A to send by this formula. If the amount of JSON A to send is greater than self.a amount, we send the JSON B back to the message.from. We can send a message to JSON address B using the send remain value mode. The message body is token transfer, with the amount is filled by message.amount. Destination filled with message.from. Other fields are filled as default settings. If the amount of JSON A to send is less than or equal to the amount of JSON A in the pool, we send the JSON A to the message.from and update the pool. And how we send the JSON A? We can send a message to the JSON address A using the send remain value mode. The message body is token transfer, and the amount is filled with A amount to send, and the destination is filled with message.from. Other fields are filled as default settings, and the same logic applies when receiving JSON A. If context.sender is not equal to self.JSON address A nor self.JSON address B, we just throw an error. Okay, this is our test 3 explanation and implementation. See you next time. Bye.